Hi everybody, welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Kat and I'm here with one of our instructors, James, and he's going to share a cool project that he had some students working on.
So here at the STEAM Academy, we love to let the kids run the engineering process and learn how to design and then create their own thing, finding and discovering all the problems and the challenges with it. So this project with our catapults, we have a two-way part of doing it. The first way is they get all these materials and they just get a list, they get a price for each thing on the list, and what they get to do is they get to decide which pieces they want to charge, if you will, on their card for elements that they need to create their catapult. And they get a lot of troubleshooting and planning and preparing for how it's going to work, finding out what doesn't work, and going back and making some changes to their list. The other way of doing it, the design process here, is using both 3D design and 2D design in some of our design programs to create all the elements of their catapult digitally, and then going back and creating those through our 3D printers and through our laser engraver cutter, and then making their machines there. So then we give them a task as far as the height they want to shoot, how far they want to shoot, gives us some challenges for that, maybe some accuracy, some distance competitions within the students, and then they make the cool things like we have here.
Target practice?
Yeah.
That's pretty solid.
We don't let them shoot at each other, but they do fire pretty well. If we go really crazy, this one's actually really powerful. Thank you, Kat. And we can actually get some good distance to it. Just like that. And this one might break something. Let's try it anyway. So we have onager or mangonel catapults, which are these two here, which are our most common ones. We have a ballista, and then some of our students have tried with moderate amounts of success to build a trebuchet. But this one is a ballista. This one has a lot more power.
Sweet.
So they're fun. It's a great project. Kids love it. They love going through and making, obviously some will go back and decorate them and design them. They love trying all the different things to beat the next best person that had the farthest distance, the best accuracy. It's a great project for them to really get into the design software and learn the process of the programs and then how the machines make them afterwards.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us, everybody.